Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Parrott Bros. Now I'm going to start doing some of the little mods that I wanted to do on this just to tidy it up. We're going to get rid of some badges today and I'm going to show you what I use. Let me just make sure we're filming what we should be. Yes we are. So I have got a brand new plastic scraper. Now if you haven't seen these before, these things are absolutely game changers. It's a plastic Stanley blade with a little holder and it just allows you to get the corner of something up without actually scratching whatever it is that you're trying to work on. They are fantastic little bits of kit, and then it just allows you to just peel off stickers absolutely faultlessly. They work brilliant on windows if you want to also clean, you've got some stuff on your window that you can't get off, some glues or whatever, but just great for popping the corner off. I never push it all the way around, I like to just peel the sticker off normally. And then all we'll need afterwards is some sort of spray cleaner and a cloth, nothing too abrasive because it should come off. If there's some glues left, you may just need a little bit of cleaner, but normally it's just the dirt around them. You might need a little bit of hand polish afterwards just to sweeten it off, but that looks better already. But yeah, stickers, I mean, personal preference, even if you just want to change the stickers, say you wanted to change the colour, you bought some new ones, or whatever you wanted to remove some stickers. These are great for windows as well, like I said. Getting decals off of windows, like the original factory stickers and all of that kind of stuff. I'm going to make some more stickers, some Parrott Bros ones. I've got a few new designs and a few things I'm playing with. And of course, just to brighten this up because it's silver. But I've just never been a fan of these Quattro stickers. Some people like them, some people don't. If you've got a later car, you have an S-Line badge here, which would have come from factory. Quite a late edition that. This is a 2003, so definitely wouldn't have had that. But yeah, I'm just not a fan. But I want to make this my own. I might end up putting it back on again, you never know. Oh, these are killing me. Get yourself a nice Neely mat as well. But yeah, these are great little tools. Amazon, I think this cost me £6. I'll try and find a link. It was about £5 or £6 maybe a tiny bit more because it was a while back. But it come with 100 blades and you can literally just use it once, throw the blade away, get a new one or flip it over. And the best thing is, can't cut yourself. You probably could if you tried hard enough, and I'm sure there's some of you out there that could hurt yourself with a spoon rather than a knife, but they are a great little bit of kit. Great to have around, great for multiple purposes around the house, but like I said, just get the dirt off around the letters. We'll give it a polish anyway because it's in desperate need of a really good clean, but that gets the worst of it off, and that is looking better already. Now, let's do the two at the back that I've been wanting to do for a while since getting the car. And I want to film it just for the sake of winding Bryn up. And I hope he's watching this. I don't think I made this one. I was going to say I normally make some of Bryn's stickers, but these I made his older ones. Just wanted to film me taking the BWS TT sticker off my car. Because obviously there is only one TT YouTuber. And that's Andy Charger. I mean, the Parrott Bros. Nah, just like I said, I want to go back to nothing, and then we'll build on it from there. I'll put stickers on, and I'll do bits and bobs. Whoever made these have been on a while because they're leaving a bit of adhesive, so you may need a toffee wheel or a bit of tar and glue remover or something along those lines. If you do get any residue left on there, you can buy something from Halfords called Sticky Stuff Remover. It comes in a spray, and you literally spray it on, it just softens it up, and then you just wipe it off. You can buy a toffee wheel, which is I'll show you in a minute, is like a rubberized wheel, but if you've never used one before, it's quite easy to burn the paint, so you have to be a little bit careful with those, because they are a bit of a nightmare. But that is the BWST sticker remove. Let me show you the toffee wheel because I've got one out because I was using it earlier. So this looks like a skateboard wheel, and it's just a rubber, and all you do is put it against the sticky surface and just go like that, and it removes all adhesive. But like I said, if you haven't used one before, I wouldn't rush out to buy one because they are quite easy to burn the paintwork. So maybe not for the beginners, but it does do a great job and it is very easy. Let's give this a wipe. I wonder how long this has been on here for. I'm just using my favourite quick detailer, which is done and dusted. Not a sponsored ad, but if you are looking for a good spray detailer, I would 100% recommend it because it's really good and it's has a fantastic bead afterwards for just a quick spray and wipe, and it absolutely feels like glass to the back of your hand. It is gorgeous. Doesn't streak. You can do it in the sunlight, although it's not recommended. But you can spray it in sunlight, done and dusted by bouncers. Amazing. I'm assuming they still do this SI edition. If not, I think it's called the SIO2 or the VIP. This is quite an old bottle, but does exactly the same thing. Now, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this because it's on the inside of the window, but like I said, with these plastic scrapers, you can just, oh yeah, this has been on here since new. So that's leaving loads of glue behind. But you can see that the scraper's working on the glass and it is just removing that sticker. Unfortunately, the sticker is baked on because it's been in that windscreen for its absolute lifetime. I just can't stand stickers in windows. But you won't scratch your glass. Perfectly safe to use on glass, these. Absolutely fantastic. If you've never had one before, go buy yourself one and you'll be wondering how you survived life without them before. They're just great. Like I said, a bit of tar and glue remover on that. That'll come off nice, or a bit of white spirit or something, and it will just come straight off. I'm only a bit hesitant on bodywork because obviously if you've had a paint job in the past, you may find that the lacquers are slightly different. And the last thing I want to tell you to do is try something on the car and then your paint to come off when you're wiping it off. So on the car, use something specifically made for spraying on paint, whereas on glass, you can get away with your white spirits, your tar removers, your tar and glue, that kind of stuff. But most of that's, oh, yeah, loads of sticky left. But we'll get some stuff on that. But I just wanted to show you a bit of an update, sort of what we're doing with the car and what I've been doing. I'm trying to make it my own. I'm going to get rid of all the stickers, get it back to as blank a canvas as possible, and then I'll put my stamp on it because I want it to look like a different car, look how I want it, do my little touches, make it subtle, a lot more blended in. Now, I haven't decided what I'm going to do about the tinted windows. If you watch this channel, you know how I feel about tinted windows. It's just with the Quattro Sport top, it doesn't look too bad. The view isn't great out the back, but hey, if they're behind you, it's their problem. Let me know what you think. Would you keep the tinted windows? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know. And what do you think to the car? Obviously, this is only probably the second time you've seen it. Let me know what you think. I know the Noggy is not going to be on the channel, but the fact that I can just drive this, take my daughter out is amazing. And of course, it is quick. I may change some stuff on the exterior at some point, but the fact that I can just enjoy it, do videos like this, and just go back to enjoying making videos and playing with the car and not having to do 2-week jobs just to film something. Absolutely fantastic. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.